All right, so you're a professional, you're trying to make AI actually work in the real world. You know the stakes are high, right? Well, today we're going to skip all the abstract theory. We are rolling up our sleeves and building a super practical guide to help you navigate the whole implementation journey and, get actual results. Let's jump right in. This right here, this is the core idea of this entire explainer. Seriously, it's not just some nice to have thought, it is the critical distinction. Your ability to plan, to engage, to actually train your teams, that is what separates the AI projects that deliver incredible value from the ones that just, well, burn a lot of time and money. The stakes are just that high. So let's start with a really common and frankly painful scenario that I call the AI implementation trap. It's a story a lot of us have seen play out. A technically brilliant AI project is launched, but it just completely fails to deliver any meaningful, real-world value, and it happens a lot more often than you think. Now, what's really fascinating about this trap is that it almost never has to do with the code or the algorithms. Nope. The real point of failure is almost always forgetting that AI is a tool that is built for people. You see, teams get so hyper-focused on the cool technology puzzle that they completely forget to design the solution around the actual humans who have to use it every day. Let me tell you a quick story to really bring this to life. I once worked with this really sharp, super dedicated team. For 6 straight weeks, they did everything by the book, technically speaking. They were building what they were absolutely convinced was a game-changing predictive model for their sales department. So the big launch day arrives. They present their beautiful creation with a ton of pride. And the response was, to put it mildly, lukewarm. Barely anyone used it, the feedback was all over the place, and the tool just didn't solve the problems people actually had. You could just feel the energy drain from the room. It was a classic case of having a solution that was desperately looking for a problem. Just think about that for a second. The technology was solid, the team was brilliant. So what was the fatal flaw? Where did they miss the mark? And here's the punchline. They had started with the shiny new AI hammer and went looking for a nail. So they went back to the drawing board. But this time, they started by actually talking to the people who would use the tool. They mapped out the workflow, they listened to the pain points, and they designed a solution together. And that second version, it took them just 2 weeks to build, and it was a huge success. Simpler, maybe, but it actually worked. That story is the perfect pivot from the problem to the solution. See, to avoid that implementation trap, we have to shift our whole mindset. We have to go from asking, what can we build, to what should we solve? And that requires a really solid strategic foundation, which we're going to break down right now. A successful approach really just boils down to these 3 core ideas. First up, strategy and planning. You've got to define your goals and create a clear roadmap. Second, implementation and execution. That's the disciplined work of making that plan a reality. And third, and this is crucial, measurement and optimization. You have to track your progress and always be improving. It's a cycle, not a one-and-done project. Okay, so with that framework in our heads, let's get into the how-to. This is your actionable blueprint. These are the concrete steps you can start applying literally today to make sure your AI projects really hit the mark. Think of this as your pre-flight checklist. Before you even think about writing a line of code, you need to ask these tough questions. Have you really honestly assessed where you are right now and identified the gaps? Can you define what success looks like with crystal clear metrics? Who are your stakeholders, and how are you going to get them involved early and often? And instead of some big bang launch, can you roll it out in phases to learn as you go? And critically, what's your training plan? This is about building capability, not just shipping a product. When you look at the organizations that consistently just knock it out of the park with AI, they all share these habits. They always start with strategy. They're obsessed with delivering value you can actually measure. They invest in their people, training, sharing knowledge, all of it. And they stay flexible, ready to pivot as they learn. So let's talk about the payoff. When you apply this strategic mindset, what does that transformation actually look like? Well, it's a fundamental shift from just being busy to doing better, more impactful work. This slide really just says it all, doesn't it? Before, your team is running on intuition, what we call professional judgment. It's valuable, for sure, but it's also inconsistent and kind of hard to defend. After, that same judgment is supercharged by data patterns the AI finds. Decisions are now backed up by real evidence. And all that tedious work, like compiling reports that took days, that's now done in hours. It frees up your experts to do what they do best: think.
And this is maybe the single most important message for your teams and for your stakeholders. The goal of AI here is not replacement, it is amplification. We are building tools that handle the grunt work so that our human experts can focus on the complex, high-value stuff that really needs their skill and experience.
Now, let's be real, this journey isn't always a walk in the park. You have to plan for the hurdles. You're going to run into stakeholders who all want different things. You will almost certainly be short on resources. And yeah, you'll probably hit some pockets of resistance to change. Even just measuring the true impact can be tricky. But the good news is, the strategic framework we've been talking about is designed to help you see these risks coming and deal with them from day one. Okay, we have covered a ton of ground, from the big picture mindset to the nitty-gritty blueprint, so let's just boil all of this down into the most essential points that you need to take with you. So if you remember nothing else from this, remember these 4 things. 1. Success comes from strategy, not just from cool tech. 2. Talking to the people who will actually use the tool isn't optional. It is absolutely non-negotiable. 3. If you can't measure it, you can't prove its value, so figure out your metrics early. And 4. Invest in your team's skills. That is the only way this becomes a sustainable, long-term success story. So I'll leave you with this final thought. It's so easy to get caught up in what the AI can do. But at the end of the day, the AI is just the tool. The most important, the most strategic, and the most human question you can ask is the one on your screen right now. What problem are you really, truly choosing to solve? Get that right, and you're already halfway there.